What we're basically doing is a beef tenderloin with a balsamic reduction. I can't think of a better recipe to show your significant other how much you love them. Balsamic reduction, real simple. We're just taking about 5 ingredients, mixing them together, reducing them. You just take balsamic vinegar, some sugar, herb, whichever you prefer. I like garlic in mine and rosemary. Reduce that down to a beautiful reduction. And once we cook this thing, we're gonna drizzle that over the beautiful cuts, and then we're gonna crumble a little blue cheese on it. And I promise, mom, significant other, sweetie, whatever you're gonna call her, she's gonna love it. Let's get in here and talk about the star of the show, the beef tenderloin. This one happens to be all trimmed, okay? All the silver skin has been taken off. If it did not come off, you don't know what silver skin in it looks like this right here. This real slick, tough stuff. I'm gonna trim that piece right there. All you wanna do is pinch the silver skin just a little bit, come up underneath it, work your knife underneath, and then just work out the other side. So we're gonna take the chain portion, or the tail portion as some people call it, and we're just gonna fold it in. And what you're trying to do is make this one uniform piece of meat to really make it even when you cook it. For seasoning today, we're gonna use our Grilla beef rub. It really works here. There's some things in that rub that really make that umami beefy flavor come to the forefront. So we're gonna take our rub and we're just gonna give it a nice little seasoning, rub it in, make sure it stays on there. Before we pin this up, notice we're seasoning here, even though we're gonna pin this. I mean, we want this flavor everywhere we can get it. Make sure it's seasoned well. Getting these little nooks and crannies and crevices. You know, if you find a piece that open up, sprinkle some in there. Don't be afraid to really season this. So our reduction is done. You can see, guys, when you pull through it, that's when you know it's perfectly thick. This is exactly where you want this reduction. It smells amazing. Okay, so we've set our Grilla to 250 degrees. So we're gonna put it on and we're gonna check it in about an hour. What we wanna do is let it get to a temperature of about 110, 115 degrees. Then we're gonna pull it back off, and then we're going to rest it again before we do the final sear. Okay, so it's been a little bit over an hour. We're going to check the temperature of our tenderloin. Before we open it up though, I like just to use the probe just to see where we're at. And right at 100 degrees, we want to be 100, 110. And I want to check the temperature end to end, just see where we're at. Perfect, 106, 107. The dead center, about 110 is where we want to be. So I got a glove on just to protect myself, but I've also got a nice wide spatula. We're gonna go right up to our cutting board. Oh man, it smells so good. That crust looks phenomenal. We're gonna turn the Grilla up to 500 degrees, get our grill grates on there. The Grilla's up to temp, so it's time to sear. But we're just gonna sear about a minute per side, and we'll start on the bottom. Let's roll this one more time. Oh yeah. A beautiful color on that now. The key is you just don't want to go over about 130 on this. You want to stay sub 130 for just a beautiful medium rare. Okay, so we've seared our tenderloin. It looks beautiful. It's hit a perfect temp. So we're gonna bring it out, put it on the cutting board. We're gonna rest it, and then we're gonna slice it up and put it on the plate. It's going to be awesome. Look at that. Okay, so our tenderloin is rested. It's got a beautiful crust on it. We're gonna do some slicing here, and it should be a really beautiful, medium rare, juicy, tender. You just can't beat that. That great bark on there that the Grilla beef rub puts there. But how does it taste? Oh wow. The rosemary comes through. The bark is where it's at. That beef rub is amazing. Just the right amount of salt. It's got just a touch of heat, very light heat. But all that umami, all that beefiness is right there. Okay, so the steak by itself, tenderloin by itself, is only part of the story. You have this beautiful balsamic reduction that's the other part of the story. Let's try a bite all together. I almost don't even know how to describe it. It's sweet, it's tangy, It's umami. There's a little bit of heat to it. It's phenomenal. Okay, so if you've cooked this recipe and you enjoyed it, we'd love to see a picture. Hashtag this picture, Be My Grilla. We want to see you cooking it, your significant other eating it, you enjoying it together for this Valentine's Day. You have 3 weeks. Check out all the details down in the description below. We're going to pick a winner to get a thick and bold sauce and the new Grilla beef rub. So we hope you enjoyed this one this time. I'm Shane Draper. This has been Grilla Grills. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, all social media, and we hope this recipe made you a star in your backyard.